We are continually working towards achieving the common goal of preventing crime and creating a safe and resilient community. Our community is at the heart of everything we do, and Peel Regional Police strives to keep the community safe by working with the public. Your crime prevention team is armed with numerous tips designed to help keep you and your loved ones safe. We feel that these topics are vital to ensuring your safety and well-being. If you would like us to attend your school, business, place of worship, or community event and provide a presentation on any of these topics, please contact us through our website or email. I encourage you to visit our website where these and many more crime prevention related tips can be discovered. The entire content of our website, including these helpful tips, can be translated into more than 100 languages. Let's take care of one another by preventing crime.